The flashing orange light on your EETV box serves as a crucial diagnostic indicator, alerting you to various system issues that need attention. This indicator light can manifest in different patterns, each pattern telling you exactly what type of issue your box is experiencing. There are 4 main orange light patterns you might encounter. A slow flash lasting 1 to 2 seconds typically indicates network connectivity problems. A rapid flash every half second suggests hardware malfunctions or overheating issues within the box itself. A solid orange light means your box is either booting up or installing a firmware update, which is normal operation. Finally, alternating orange and red lights indicate a critical system error that typically requires box replacement. Based on recent data, orange light issues fall into 3 main categories. Network connectivity problems account for 65% of all cases. Hardware-related issues make up 25% of cases, including problems like overheating, power supply degradation, and internal component failures. Software and firmware issues represent the remaining 10%, typically involving corrupted system files or failed updates. Understanding these patterns and causes helps you identify whether you're dealing with a simple connectivity issue that you can fix yourself or a more serious hardware problem that may require professional support. Recent statistics show that only 2.3% of EETV boxes experience orange light issues each month, and 94% of these issues are resolved within 24 hours. When your EETV box shows a flashing orange light, there are systematic troubleshooting steps that can resolve most issues. We'll start with the most effective immediate checks. The first step is immediate checks, which have a 45% success rate. These include power cycling your box, checking all cable connections, and verifying your internet connectivity. Next, check all your cable connections. Loose or damaged cables are a common cause of connection issues. Also, verify that your internet is working on other devices in your home. If immediate checks don't resolve the issue, move to network diagnostics. These steps provide an additional 30% success rate and focus on your network connection quality. Check your Ethernet cable connections and consider replacing the cable if it appears damaged. Also, restart your router to refresh the network connection. For advanced troubleshooting, which provides an additional 15% success rate, try a factory reset, check for firmware updates, and test different HDMI ports. Check for firmware updates through your box settings and try different HDMI ports on your television. Sometimes a faulty HDMI port can cause connection issues. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact EE Professional Support. They can provide remote diagnostics, arrange hardware replacement, or schedule an engineer visit if necessary. Remember that 80% of orange light issues are resolved within the first 3 troubleshooting steps. Also, ensure your box has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating, especially during warmer months.